If you have 10 liters, it will be difficult if you pour this thing to 10 liters, 10 grams into 10 liters. It will be difficult for you to lift it up and be shaking it. Sometimes if you use a spatula and try to stir it, you may not stir it evenly. You may waste the water. As you're stirring it, the water is doing what? Pouring away. So the easiest thing you do is get a water bottle like this. Get 10 grams. Put it somewhere. If you can manage it to enter, put it somewhere. You have measured up 10. Am I right? Now, take this place. That's why you see this thing here. You're taking it small, putting it inside this one. Or you take anything you can use, but sterilize. Put it here. And when you have going to pump this thing, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. As you're shaking it, what is happening? It is dissolving well in this one. After dissolving well in this one, you open it and pour it in the bigger one. A little stir is done. Mathematically, you will collect the water you use to shake this from the 10 liters.
Yes.
Look, if I put 10 liters and shake it this way and add, it's more than 10 liters. After 3 days, after how many days?
3 days.
Thank you. After 3 days, you change the size, the quantity, the volume of water. After 3 days, you change the volume of water. The volume of water you now need after 3 days is 5 liters. How many liters now?
5 liters.
You now take 10 grams, add it to how many liters? 5 liters. That is the adult dose. 10 grams to 10 liters is the infant dose. 10 grams to 5 liters is the adult dose. You now go to adult dose. After 3 days, you change the volume of water, but the 10 grams still remain. If I bring the old bed now, I will give them 10 grams to how many liters? 10 liters. If by giving them 10 grams to 10 liters for how many days? 3 days. I now change to 10 grams to how many liters? 5 liters. That is the adult dose. And you see those birds, they will be smart, they will be healthy, and they will be enough resistance to infections and diseases. Their immunity system will be uplifted.
My name is Mrs. Justina Nnaji. I came to know about this program through my husband, Venerable Daniel Nnaji. And this program is going on at St. Paul's Anglican Church, Amankwo, Ngo. You know, it has been long. I've been longing to have an opportunity to learn about this agriculture, how to train, animals, birds, and even farming. And today I've learned a lot from this. I encourage everyone to come and join us.
My name is Reverend Canon Ofonere Ambrose Anayochukwu. I am from Enugu North Diocese. I'm the diocesan business manager in charge of agriculture, oil and gas, and other sectors. I'm here today because of AAC Farmers Training. Today is the second day of the training. I have taken a lot of take-homes from the business so far. I'm also in charge of business unit of Enugu North Diocese. By the grace of God, Dr. Nwachukwu have taken us through how to farm in modern way with the Miracle 1 and Miracle 2. He have already given us things to use. Fertilizers that will help us to be able to farm and make our things better for people these days. There are fertilizers that are not organic. that are harmful to nature, and these ones are natural. It is far better to use them, and are more economical. By the special grace of God, the Archbishop, His Grace, the Most Reverend Sosthenes Eze, is one that permitted us to be here, and I'm here on behalf of him, watching out what is going on and seeing that everything works well. We are in St. Paul's Anglican Church, Amankwo, by 9th Mile, Enugu. The work is going well, and from all we have taken so far, the journey is good. The diocese is into agriculture. They are into rearing of poultry like birds and other things. So we have acquired hectares of land in Akbugeze for the diocese, where we are going to be farming for the next farming season. So this is at the right time that this training came up, and other members of the church and people of this environment are here to receive the lecture. One of the major of my take home is that this lecture is going to help us to overcome poverty in this environment, because people say that information is power. We have received a better information on how to farm, and I'm sure that we are in for bumper harvest. Thank you, and God bless you.
My name is Dr. Ms. Ngozi Ameze. I'm a PhD holder and a nurse too, by profession. I'm married to Venerable Dr. Augustine Ameze, Venerable Professor Ameze Augustine. He is an archdeacon in Diocese of Enugu North. And we are located at the point where you people are doing the seminar at St. Paul's Anglican Church, Amankwo. So I got to know the program actually through my husband. Some people came and gave him announcement to announce in the church for the people who are interested for this seminar. And I happened to come. Though first day I was not there because I went to work, and today I'm here. From all that I have gathered, I'm happy, I'm fulfilled, and I have this vision to go forth out to put into practice the things that I have learned today. So I'm really happy, and I have to, my intention is now to tell my women concerning this program. Anytime we're going to have meeting, I have to tell them about, intimate them about this seminar, so that most of them will really come in to be part of it. Once again, I'm happy for this seminar, and I thank God for you people who made it possible to come to teach our people. Because this period, things are really hard. But, it is always good for one to do it yourself. I think it's happier, you enjoy it more when you get this agricultural produce by yourself. I find that you enjoy it the more. And the kind of the fertilizer we used to use that are dangerous to health is not the type we are being taught today, which we are all going to buy and put into work by the grace of God. Once again, thank you very much for coming. I pray that people will come again to teach our people. Thank you very much.
My name is Ndubisi Enechianya. I represent Agent to Microfinance Bank, which is owned by the Diocese of Enugu North. I want to thank AAC for partnering with us to come and train some of our parishioners. The idea of this arrangement is to help people to transit from looking for work to helping themselves. Agriculture is the way to go, because we have food scarcity, but we have land and we have idle people. So agriculture is the way to go. The more people who get into agriculture, the more the country develops. Because every country that has solved their food problem to an extent has developed individuals who are able to think. Because a hungry man cannot think. Why Western countries do well is that they have a social security network that allows people to think about other things. You don't think about the basic things. You know you will feed. You know that if you don't have a house, somebody will give you a house. You know that if you don't have a job, somebody will give you a token every month. So you can sit down and think about going to the moon. You can sit down and think about going to the stars. That is what we want Nigeria to, work towards. So the first thing is to solve our food problem. We can't rely on government entirely. We have a lot of idle people. We have a lot of idle land. So what we did with AAC is to bring them here to say, come and train some of our people in agriculture so that they can start small farms, which can grow to bigger farms, which can later become industrial farms. which can also become inputs to industrial businesses, industries. So I want to thank AAC especially. I also want to appreciate our parishioners who made our time to come. They must transit from learning to doing. What they have learned, it will only be useful or it will only be successful if they can make something out of it. So I hope that AAC will continue to partner with us to take what they are doing from teaching to actualizing it. I'm quite happy. This is the first of it. We're going to do it on a much larger scale. Once this one, once we go around this one and it works properly. I thank AAC again, and it was a good program. Thank you.